We have a delivery. I think it's the fold down picnic table that we've ordered. It looks big enough to be.
Yeah.
Okay, we need to get a knife and open it up. Picnic table for days. I think you opened it upside down.
Yeah.
I actually think you did. It's big enough to be, isn't it?
Yes.
Actually, it looks bigger than the one we had on the previous van.
Yeah, it is.
Well, that's good.
You come to help there.
Come to help, Kitty. You need me to hold the bolt.
Yeah.
Oh, did you lose a screw?
Keys.
Oh, yes. Make sure you don't mark it. Well, they've packed it well. That's good. You can install this today or tomorrow. Today is quite warm. Oh, look at that. Right. How does this work? Oh, okay, so...
Well, that's upside down.
Yeah. So...
Like that.
Oh, that's very different. That looks alright. So the table itself is probably not much different in size, is it?
No.
It's just the framework that's a lot bigger.
Yeah.
And do you think it would be easy enough to install on the Caravan?
Yeah.
Because you're doing this yourself.
The screws and the holes. Pretty good.
What is it, like 10 screws or something?
Yeah.
And then obviously some kind of waterproof stuff around the
just
screws?
screws, yeah.
Right. And it came with 2 keys, so one with the spare set we keep in the Caravan and one on the car keys.
Yep.
That's good. Beautiful. Well, we'll post as he gets to fitting it, installing it on the Caravan. We'll keep you updated. Okay, in this video we are going to be installing a fold down / picnic table to the side of the van. We've received the table this morning. It's just going to take holes there, 10 of those, 3 at the top, 3 at the bottom, 2 at the sides. Here's the tools we're going to need. Okay.
Okay, open your table, put it against the side of the van. I'm using this lip as a marker. Mark all your holes.
Make sure it doesn't wobble, I guess.
Yes. These ones a bit longer. I can't reach them there with the pen. Oh, yes.
Let's get it on the right angle. There we go, we have 10 holes. 10 hole marks.
Now checked inside for no power points, any wiring behind, but also unplug the mains just in case there's something there we missed.
You never know.
1/8 drill bit. Drill holes on all your black dots.
I tell you, I'd be worried about hitting something behind there that I shouldn't hit. This is why I leave it to you. This is the blue job. Some holes seem easier to make than others. Okay, we have the holes.
You've got the flat surfaces here that are going to go up against the van. Got a bead of Sikaflex 291, it's a marine sealant and adhesive. So just a bead like this all the way around.
Hope it doesn't dry quick. You've got a pretty steady hand. Mine will be all over the place. Is that the stuff you use with the solar panel too?
Yes.
Good stuff, eh? Oh, you're just going to have enough, aren't you?
Oh, plenty there.
In isolation, you can't leave and go and buy more either.
Okay, now over here, I put a dog over each hole. As you put the screw in, it'll just seal itself.
Is that sealing it for rain or just sealing it for...
Just, yes, for moisture, rain.
Because I'd always be worried about putting holes in the side of a caravan. How are you going to know where the holes are now?
They're under the sticky stuff. Cut the screws to begin with. And hold them.
Yes. I'll do something useful. Screws.
Pull the bottom out so it doesn't touch the caravan. Pull it out towards you.
Oh, okay. I thought you wanted me to pull the table part out.
Just start it a little bit.
Did you find the hole? Oh, I touched it. Oh, well, just stab myself in the face with screws. Oh.
There we get a rag and clean up the bits I've missed.
Excuse me, teenager. Any chance you could pass me that black rag over there? We've just got a bit of goop on the caravan we need to wipe off. It's just there near the rainwater tank. Oh, just over there. Here's a teenager. Now you're going to put all the screws in all the holes. Thank you, ma'am. Not sure how many you have. You've done 3?
Yep.
I think this should be 10. Is it tricky?
Yeah.
a bit warm today. 36 degrees, I think. Do you need a longer screwdriver?
Yeah. Go find a longer
Do you want me to go and get you one?
No, I'll go get one, get the side ones done.
I actually thought it would have been more difficult to do this job.
Probably need a longer one for there again too.
Yeah, probably what?
Longer screwdriver.
Oh, right. It didn't come with any instruction manuals either, so we're sort of flying blind here. It doesn't actually look difficult, but yeah, just be prepared if you are buying one from where we mentioned we bought it, that it may well not come with instructions.
And I'll go find a longer screwdriver.
Okay, now he has his bigger screwdriver that will fit. Now we've chosen to put this one here because we have the PowerPoints and is it an aerial?
No, it's a
USB.
Cigarette lighter.
Oh, okay. Isn't there a... Wait, I actually thought we had a aerial antenna for aerial plug. Oh, okay, that must have been another van. Goodness. Anyway, so because we have the PowerPoints and the USB part, so we can charge things, so we can put it there and charge it rather than just hang it, which you wouldn't do anyway, but you know. A lot of the time when we are camping, caravanning, we do have a table that we have sit along here, sort of out there, and it comes out. Yeah, but if we're not setting one up, we at least have a picnic table. I think they call it a picnic table, fold down table.
And there you go.
And that's it, is it?
Yeah, I might put a little bit of sealant along there, otherwise you'll get dirt build up in there.
Well, that's a good idea. I will just... I did already.
So we just run a bead along there.
I did already wipe the muck, I don't know what that stuff's called, off the side that was on there. But, oh, okay. We've since tightened it a bit. Oh, I need to not do that. Alright. Maybe, no, that won't work either. I'm not always uncouth. So you can see there's just a bit just along here. So just any rag, we just use an old t-shirt. Just slide it down the side. You see it come off on there. And then, don't you dare wipe that on me.
And watch here.
That there.
Just your finger in there and run along.
It's like what they do in the bathrooms, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's why you do this. I don't want to get my hands dirty.
That's just to stop dirt and stuff getting down in there and looking messy.
Good idea, mate. How about that, eh?
In there with your rag.
Oh, and up here too. Look, you've got a bit up there. Just up there. Looking a bit grotty. Oh, whoops. Okay, show us the operation of it now, sir.
The keys.
In it. It's like asking for your sunglasses when they're on your head.
Yes.
Or when you're on the phone to someone and you're asking where your phone is.
Done that before?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we've all done that. How many of us admit that? I don't know. Okay, that's pretty fancy. So obviously we'll take the... Oh, yuck. Left that goop on that screwdriver.
Plastic.
You can have that. Yeah, you take the protective plastic off. 2 hands. And it easily floats. I remember at one table we had, it was actually quite hard to...
Unlock.
You had to sort of get your fingers like in to pull it out, whereas this here has that. What a great idea. Beautiful. That's very nice. Oh, you got more protective. You could always leave that on there if you wanted to. Well, you can't now. We can't now. But anyone who's watching the video could always leave it on there if they wanted to. Looks a bit tacky, but it certainly protects it. Oh. How about that? So we are going to purchase another one. We did look at getting another one just a few minutes back, but that particular seller is out of stock. I do remember now when we purchased it Sunday night that it said last one available. So we will contact the seller to see if they're going to get any more in stock, because we do want to have them matching. If not, we'll have to risk it for the brisket. We'll have to risk it and see what we can get, because we want to put another one here, as I want some more bench space while I'm cooking outside with my Ziggy. Although with the 2 of us, only the 2 of us, no more teenager. She doesn't want to come with us anymore, but with the 2 of us, we probably don't need too much room. But that's it. Good job, eh? I think that looks pretty good. And it's even level. Lucky you've got these corrugateds, I guess they're called, down the side of the van to work with. Yeah.
That's it.
Excellent. Great job.